I've been through it all, endless workouts that didn't deliver and countless hours spent searching for something that worked. I survived that cycle of frustration and finally found success with this 15-minute daily home routine. Here's how it changed my life. My daily routine. Warm up with jumping jacks to minutes. Start by getting your heart rate up and your body ready to burn fat. Burpees 1 min. Drop into a squat. Kick your feet back to a plank and jump up. This full body move increases your metabolism and engages your core. High knees 1 min. Run in place with high knees to elevate your heart rate and target your abdominal area. Bicycle crunches 1 min. Lie on your back and alternate bringing your elbows to the opposite knee. This exercise focuses on those tricky lower abs. Plank 1 min. Hold a strong plank to build core strength and improve overall stability. Challenges and results. I faced days when staying motivated was tough, but I built resilience by sticking to this routine. I got impressive results. My belly fat melted away, my core became stronger, and I felt more confident and energetic. Motivational tip: consistency is crucial. Track your progress, celebrate small milestones, and remind yourself that every workout is a step closer to your goals. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Try this easy workout and experience the transformation yourself, one day at a time.